Hello kids, let us learn to draw some new shapes, symbols and color name. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Now let us know about the color name. Fluorescent yellow, baby pink, green, lime yellow, pink, orange, blue, purple, sky blue, grey, red color, black, rounded corner rectangle, cylinder, crescent moon, hexagon, cube, cloud, vermilion, cobalt blue, deep violet, rose red, deep olive green, pastel violet, rounded corner rectangle, cylinder, it has 3 surfaces, crescent moon, hexagon having 6 sides, 6 vertices, 6 angle, it is 2D shape, cube, it is a 3D shape having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners, it is a cloud. Thanks for watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, see you in the next video, bye bye.